Alright, so finally making chips since all the upgrades, and this is the part right here. As you can see, the finish is great. Yeah, I figured I'd record this. So here's the part. It has 3 tool changes in it. It's got a 2.5 millimeter single flute, because that's the best that I have for these holes, which are going to be tapped for M3. And soon I want to try thread milling them, so that'll be fun. But yeah, and then a 4 millimeter single flute for the outside contour, and then a 45-degree chamfer. Oh, it scared me. It's really fast, and yes, I am aware that the table shakes. I'm working on it. Seems like there's some debris on there that might affect my offsets. That was actually the double-sided tape keeping the little piece of aluminum on the probe, so the duster couldn't blow it off. Alright, so outside of the mist not turning on and the cut started pour in the beginning, yeah, there we go. Update video coming up on my machine, I promise, and yeah, thanks for watching.